Welcome back to Morley's Market Update. Today we're looking at the Q1 2026 New Providence Market Update. This quarter tells us a different story. We're seeing stronger buyer activity and more listings, but pricing has pulled back compared to last year. If you want to view the full report, you'll find it linked down below. Starting with New Providence homes, supply is continuing to grow. New listings were up 31.3% year over year and increased 12.8% from last quarter, so more inventory is coming to market. Demand also strengthened. Contracted sales rose 47.2% year over year and jumped 60.6% quarter over quarter, which shows buyers are becoming more active again. However, completed sales were down 22.4% year over year and fell 26.9% from last quarter, meaning fewer deals are actually closing despite the increase in activity. Now, pricing has shifted downward. The average sales price came in at about $1.14 million, down 33.5% year over year and about 19% from last quarter. The median sales price also declined to around $499,000, down 33.5% year over year and 16.8% quarter over quarter, which suggests more transactions are happening at lower price points compared to last year. Homes are also taking longer to sell. Days on market rose to 131 days, up 45.6% year over year and 70% from last quarter. So the market is moving slower than before. But the list-to-sale price ratio improved to 95.4%, up both year over year and quarter over quarter, meaning sellers are still achieving close to their asking price. Now, moving to land, this is where we're seeing stronger overall activity. New listings increased 55.1% year over year and rose 8.6% from last quarter, so inventory continues to build. Demand is also improving. Contracted sales were up 10.7% year over year and surged 93.8% quarter over quarter, showing a strong rebound in buyer interest. Completed sales followed that trend, rising 69.2% year over year and increasing slightly from last quarter, so more deals are actually closing in this segment. Pricing softened slightly. The average land sales price came in at about $165,000, down 15% year over year and about 19.6% from last quarter. The median price also declined to $122,500, down 7.9% year over year and 35.8% quarter over quarter, indicating more activity at lower price points. In terms of speed, land is taking a bit longer to sell. Days on market increased to 167 days, up nearly 49% from last quarter, although still slightly lower than this time last year, and the list-to-sale price ratio came in at 95.3%, up year over year and only slightly down from last quarter. Still a strong number showing sellers are holding firm on pricing. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this breakdown and want to keep up with what's happening across the Bahamas real estate market, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss an update. So, overall, New Providence is seeing stronger buyer activity and more inventory, but pricing has come down and properties are taking longer to sell. Land, on the other hand, is a bit more active, with more deals closing, even though pricing has softened slightly. Thanks for watching Morley's Market Update, and I'll see you in the next one.